Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Steps Recorder so you capture a reliable walkthrough. Press the Windows key, type Steps Recorder and hit Enter. The interface appears quickly. Once done, make sure Screenshot Capture is on and choose where files save. You should close modal dialogues and disable notifications to avoid noise in captures. If you need admin-level interactions later, run the target app first, so Steps Recorder can capture everything without permission, prompts interrupting the flow. Now you record the sequence of actions precisely. Click Start Record and carry out each click, menu selection, and keystroke deliberately so screenshots and descriptions remain clear. When something needs context, use Add Comment to mark why you clicked or what to enter. This saves troubleshooting time later. Pause between major sections to collect your thoughts, then resume to continue. Make sure you finish each discrete task before stopping so the exported MHT contains coherent, ordered steps that finish by stopping the recorder and reviewing the captured steps in the preview pane. You can remove or edit comments right there. Once satisfied, click Save and choose MHT or Export Images so recipients can open the session. Name files with a clear label and date to avoid confusion. If steps or images are missing, re-enable screenshot permissions, run Steps Recorder as administrator, and repeat the critical segment. This fixes most capture gaps and ensures complete reproducibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.